Alright guys, first trip in the DeLorean. Got my co-pilot with me. This is freaking awesome. First time driving the car right here. What's going on YouTube? Logan here from J5 Studios. Today we are heading to Chicago to DeLorean Midwest to pick up a windshield for the DeLorean. If you guys watched the last video, I literally just closed out and started filming the new intro for this. We still got a pretty good drive. I think it was like 4.5-ish hours remaining. Got JT with me right here. Boop, 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 boop. We lost our driver. He didn't come with us, so it's all good. Is this thing not pumping gas? Getting gas, maybe getting a little bit of Taco Bell, heading to Chicago. So, not sure how much we're gonna be able to see at DeLorean Midwest. They are closed on Sundays, but they're being nice enough to get me the windshield, so we're gonna get loaded up, we're gonna head home, we're gonna get this baby installed. So, let's get to it. Alright, current time is 10 o'clock Central Time, which means it's 11 o'clock Eastern Time, which means I've been up way too late. We made it to DeLorean Midwest. Just got a hotel for the night. We'll be back in the morning. See you guys then. Bye. Ah yes, beautiful, sunshiny Chicago. We have made it to DeLorean Midwest. Got plenty of sleep last night. Waiting to meet our boy Anton, get us our windshield, and start driving home. Alright, show you guys some stuff in a second. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film inside here, and I'm kind of like trying to hurry. I did want to show you guys inside. I have been inside here. They let me tour this like a few years ago before I owned a DeLorean. Doesn't really look like there's a little bit of a tail light of a DeLorean. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I can see it. There's a tail light of a DeLorean right there. See it? You see the bumper? So, and they got the sign up there. It says DeLorean right there. See that? Peaksy Boos. Look at that. Oh, sorry. No, you're good. How long you worked here?
Only about 1.5 years or so. But my cousin's had one since I was born, so I've been around it my whole life.
As I say, does it ever get old?
No.
Frick.
I don't think it ever will.
Got the windshield. We had to package it in this box. Packaged it pretty good. I don't think it's going nowhere. It's a nice snug fit in the old Tacoma. Pretty solid. It might shift a little bit, but it'll hold. Alright, so I went shopping a little bit. This bag would open. And I got some of the wheel covers here because I needed one, but screw it, I got 4. I got the letters for the bumpers, which is going to be awesome. The little inserts. I also got the inserts for the bottom of the door. What do they call that? I don't know what they call that. Emblem. DMC emblem that it didn't have. And then I also got the hood emblem because I think these are freaking dope looking. So, and a lug nut. I need a lug nut. So, time to head home. Oh, and these are for the air box. All right. Tag it, let's get out of here. Let's go. Okay, the 360-mile trek, which, by the way, me and JT did not stop the entire time for anything, and I made it 1 tank of gas all the way home. I'm going to check this, make sure it's okay and ready to get installed. If this thing shattered, I'm going to be devastated, so fingers crossed it's not. Let's get this thing open and check it real quick. Yeah. Seems like it's good.
W out antenna. There we go. Now look at it. I'll hold it. You look at it. It smells old. Man, you packed it good.
Yeah. Man, we packed it for a while. Wanted to make sure. Yeah, I think it's okay. Unless it's cracked at the bottom, but I would think if it was starting to crack, it would have cracked the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, looks good. Alright guys, first trip in the DeLorean. Got my co-pilot with me. This is freaking awesome. First time driving the car right here. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off and drive. Alright, dropping it off. Getting the windshield put in. Covering it up. Next time I see it, it should have a windshield in it and tinted windows. So, got over here, ran pretty decent. Pops is with me. Alright, let's cover it up. Okay, it's all done. Tinted windows, there's some bubbling, but I'm pretty sure that should eventually come out. And look at this. We got the windshield. So, that's the important piece right there. Look at it. Hold on, let me do the better side. Let's do the better side. There's the better side. Look at that thing. Alright. Let's get to driving it. Alright, so pardon the wind, but I wanted to show you guys the car now in its complete state. We're gonna fix that, I promise. But the windshield is now in, as you can see here. Pay no attention to that freaking dash. There was a dash pad on it and it blew off in my face when I didn't have the windshield on it, so obviously that's why it's not on there. But the windshield looks real good, really good. And the tint looks good. Now, like I said earlier, there's some bubbling. The guy said keep an eye on that. The back looks great. Like, look at the back, man. That is freaking awesome. So, I am so... Look at this little guy. I'm so excited to start diving into this thing. Doing some fun stuff with it. Checking it out. Doing all the things. But, yeah. This is the car. And I got to get the car cover out. Man, that'll never get old. But yeah, you know, it needs some TLC. The whole dash is getting replaced. I'm gonna make this an all black interior. I wanted a black interior 5-speed. Took the shift boot off because it was, I mean, it's freaking nasty. Oh look, I found another one of those clips. This is for the air. Wow, for the air box. But anyways, I'm going to make this all black. It's going to be a totally black interior. The door is going to be black. The headrests, they're going to be the dark gray. So it's going to be a whole entire restoration. I am so sick of looking at that nasty radio in this car. It's going to be all redone, all completed when I get done with it. And yeah, pretty awesome. I'm going to probably do some cleanup this weekend, try to get it a little bit clean up. This car probably hasn't had a wash in years. Look at that little guy. It definitely needs it. So the wheels are looking a little rough too. I may have to figure out something with them. The clear coat's peeling off on them. But at the end of the day, we got ourselves a DeLorean, which is what I'm more happy about. This fender's fine. The problem is with this fender, it's got this janky freaking antenna that I broke trying to set it down, and I want to get rid of it because it's freaking stupid. So I got to get rid of that. But this fender's in good shape. The front's in pretty good shape too. The grill's got a little bit of a crack right there, but it ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. Also, the turn signals don't work, but that's kind of a somewhat might be major problem. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, that dash is nasty, but at least I can drive the car, guys. I can drive it. That's the cool thing. That's what's good about this. That's going to do it for this video. It's been quite a journey. It was actually Sunday when we started going to Chicago and things like that. It is now Thursday. I just now got the car back. I was joking with the guy at Z-Bar. I was like, you guys have literally had the car longer than me, because they had to put the windshield in Tuesday. We dropped it off Monday night. Wednesday, they were still working on it. And then today, they got it done for me. And there freaking is. So that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Be prepared for more DeLorean content. Probably every time I do anything to this car and work on it, I'm going to be filming it and recording it. Even small little things like this louver right here. That needs painted. I might even freaking film that. Who knows? So, like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Till next time.